Welcome to our shocking Content Profitz review. What is Content Profitz? Is an incredibly hot cloud-based platform that creates done-for-you profitable affiliate niche sites that are automatically loaded with hot, relevant content for top rankings, free traffic, and passive daily profits. Click on the link below to see Content Profitz demo and get Content Profitz. Content still remains the king. Although internet marketers try to shy away from this methods that require content creation. There's no question that creating content-rich sites that are regularly updated is the best way to make big money online. That's because, immediately you get them ranked, they stick. The more content you add on a regularly basis, the better the rankings get. Top search rankings equals tons of free traffic that converts. How it works. Just 3 simple steps to big profits with Content Profitz. Step number 1. Login. Enter any keyword, and choose your affiliate niche site templates. Step number 2. Schedule how frequently you want content to be posted on your site. This automatically finds hot content and relevant affiliate offers, and adds them to your affiliate niche site. Amazing, right? Step number 3. Monetize your site with affiliate links, AdSense, even with your own offer. Then watch how free and targeted traffic starts flowing right away. And you get paid over and over again because Content Profitz is always adding new content for you on autopilot. Everything inside is easy to customize with just a few clicks. Training is included, so it's easy to jump right in and start making money from day number 1. Click on the link below to see Content Profitz demo and get Content Profitz. Content Profitz software as a complete game changer. And today, you'll have the opportunity to get your hands on it at a special big discounted offer. Click the link below to get Content Profitz. Features automatic content fetching from unlimited sites. You never have to worry about finding out or creating content ever again because Content Profitz finds hot relevant content and adds it to your affiliate niche site automatically. Publish fresh content automatically. Once you activate Content Profitz, it continues to work for you every day and night to add fresh, new content so you keep getting free traffic and making money, even while you sleep. Create and set up to 50 campaigns. Massively scale up your income by creating up to 50 done-for-you affiliate niche sites. Publishes content in videos, PDFs, text plus images. All kinds of fresh content is leveraged. Everything from videos to PDFs, to text, to images. Search engines love this and will reward you with top rankings and hordes of free traffic. Content is found and sourced automatically from places like RSS feeds, eZine articles, YouTube, Vimeo, Flickr, Facebook posts. Automatic content spinning. Google loves fresh and unique content, so all of the content found by Content Profitz is automatically spun using a powerful AI spinning tool that's built in for the best ranking and free traffic results possible. Completely set and forget software. Once you activate this software, it does all of the work for you so you can make money while you sleep. Automatically add ads plus affiliate links for passive commissions. Multiple ways to monetize all the free traffic you're getting on autopilot. What Content Profitz can do for you. 1. Creates stunning affiliate niche sites. This push-button app is newbie-friendly and does all the hard work for you by leveraging the power of AI affiliate technology to create done-for-you affiliate niche sites that get top rankings, free traffic, and make you money on autopilot. Content Profitz step-by-step training. Although the app is super easy to use and 100% newbie-friendly, they want you to get results as quickly as possible, which is why they're giving you access to step-by-step video training that shows you exactly how to start making money right away. Just follow the training, fire up the software app, and profit. Content Profitz Quick Start Guide. If you're looking to jump right into the action and start making money as quickly as possible, this easy-to-follow, quick start guide gives you everything you need to crush IT and put money in your pocket today. Content Profitz White Glove Support. If you ever have a question or need help with the software, they've got a support team standing by to help you out. Just send us an email or open a support ticket and they're here to help you out. Content Profitz frequently asked questions. 1. Is there a monthly fee for Content Profitz? No. When you get it today, the monthly fee is waived and you'll get access for a low, one-time payment. Is this really newbie friendly? Yes, it is. You don't need any special skills or prior experience to get results with Content Profitz. Just log in, activate the app, and the rest is done for you. 2. Is there a money-back guarantee? Yes, you get a full 30 days to make sure this is for you. If you change your mind for any reason, just let us know, and they'll send you a refund. 3. How do I get this software at the lowest price possible? Don't forget to click the button below now for instant access. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.